Hi everyone, welcome to Chakra meditation. Chakra represents our energy body, and today we will work on balancing our chakras through affirmations. Chakras are like energy centers in our body that receive and transmit energy, enabling the body to function. There are 7 key chakras in our body, corresponding to locations on the body running from the base of our spine to the crown of our head. All these chakras in our body need to be balanced with each other in order to create an even flow of energy throughout the entire chakra system. They are associated with our physical, mental, and emotional health. So let's start our practice. Sit in a comfortable position, or you can also lie down on the ground if that's more comfortable for you, with your legs apart and hands by your side. Settle yourself. Find a natural pace of your breath. Just breathe without making any change to your breath. Just breathe naturally, breathing in and out through your nose. Now bring your awareness to root chakra, your Muladhara chakra, base of your body, your feet, your legs, your thighs, the base of your spine. Feel your connection with the earth, your roots. Feel connected, feel grounded with the ground underneath you to feel safe. Imagine it's glowing bright ruby red. And tell yourself, I am safe, I am secure and grounded. I have everything I need. Just observe how you feel. I am safe, I am secure and grounded. I have everything I need. Repeat this affirmation to yourself. The sound of this chakra, the Bija mantra of this chakra is Lam. Say the sound Lam. Lam, Lam. Now moving on to our second chakra, Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. That is located 3 fingers below our navels, in our lower back and genitals. It glows bright orange and connects to our sensuality, our passion and our creativity. Breathe into this space and internally repeat, I am comfortable in my body, I enjoy my life, I'm in touch with my feelings and I allow myself to experience pleasure. I am comfortable in my body, I enjoy my life, I'm in touch with my feelings, I allow myself to experience pleasure. Just observe how you feel. And the Bija mantra for this chakra is Vam, Vam, Vam. Slowly bringing your awareness to solar chakra, Manipura chakra, that's located above our navel. It's the power center in our abdomen and glows yellow like the sun. And this is an area of self-confidence, personality, self-esteem, willpower, inner growth, courage. Internally repeat this to yourself. I am strong, I am courageous, and I am powerful beyond measure. I am strong, I am courageous, and I am powerful beyond measure. And the Bija mantra of this chakra is Ram, 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 Ram. Now bring your awareness to your heart, Anahata chakra. Imagine it glowing bright green. It is our emotional center and governs compassion, love, and forgiveness. Love and compassion for ourselves and for others. Breathe into the space and internally repeat to yourself, I am loving to others and to myself. I love unconditionally and I am loved. The Bija mantra of this chakra is Yam, Yam, Yam. Now bring your awareness to throat chakra, your Vishuddha chakra, located in your throat. And it glows bright blue and connects you to your voice and your ability to listen. It's an area of sound, communication, expression, and listening. Breathe into this space and internally repeat, I speak my truth freely and openly and I am heard. I speak my truth freely, openly, and I am heard. And the Bija mantra of this chakra is Hum, Hum, Hum. Focus now on your third eye chakra, Ajna chakra, the space between eyebrows located in the center of your forehead, Ajna chakra. This is your source of insight, intuition, imagination. It glows bright indigo color. Breathe into this space and tell yourself, I trust my intuition. My mind is strong, open and clear. I trust my intuition. My mind is strong, open and clear. And the Bija mantra of this chakra is Om, Om, Om. Raising your awareness to the top of your head, connecting to crown chakra, the Sahasrara chakra. Connecting with the divine that relates to your spiritual growth, your connection, your enlightenment. Imagine it as a deep violet color, and the sound is silence. Observe and sense the silence above your head and feel a connection with the divine and the universe, something that is higher than you. And tell yourself, I believe in the wisdom of universe. I believe in the wisdom of universe. Notice where your awareness wants to linger. Observe, is there any specific chakra you might feel more connected to? Take a few moments to breathe and connect to your energy centers, to your chakra, to your body fully. Now slowly bring in your awareness to the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Join your hands at the front of your heart center, gently bowing forward. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I'll see you again. Thank you and have a lovely day.